Welcome to AutoWorld of Conway, where today we'll be previewing this beautiful AMC AMX American Motor Cars. It's probably one of the nicest examples I believe I've ever seen. So we'll spend a little bit of time today getting to know her and understand exactly what she has to offer. We'll take her for a spin, we'll go underneath. I think you can already begin to see that the quality of this car is extremely high. Pretty well optioned. And absolutely gorgeous. This paint to a very high quality. You see the Magnum 500 wheels, radial tires. Very similar to a Javelin, but not a Javelin. AMC AMX. See the stripes down the center of the hood. Here's the best part. Look at this. I don't know about the best part, but boy, it sure is nice. So 343, a 4-barrel. See power steering and power disc brakes. And everywhere you look in this car, you see quality. No shortcuts taken on this car. Correct hose clamps, fasteners, hoses. I don't know where you would find a nicer example, that's for sure. Total production in '69 was just less than 8,400. It was 8,300. If you wanted a 343 4-speed, you're looking at one of less than 850 produced. This combination. 3 chrome bumpers. Look at this body. It's absolutely stunning. I've driven this car, drove it today. But she does not disappoint. You'll notice no antenna. It's a radio delete car. Had me fooled for a moment. I thought it had side pipes, but it does not. That's a rocker trim there. So this is a 2-seater. So no back seat. American Motors. See the wood grain on the dash, upgraded gauges. Hurst equipped. That is a nice narrow gate 4-speed manual transmission. This door is closed so nicely. Give you a sneak peek of what to expect when we go underneath in a minute. Dual exhaust hanging out the back. Again, all the chrome and bright work, highly polished. A little crack there I want to point out. You can't really see it very well, but it is there. So all original body panels, from what I can tell in my inspection. nicest examples I've ever seen. Space saver spare with inflator. I don't know that I trust that tire. Everything finished to a high level. These stripes are decals. So 61,000 miles showing on the odometer. As per the title, the actual miles. South Carolina title here. You'll notice the rosette rivets here in the door. Wow, what a beauty. These gauges have been replaced. There, a little mark in the dash right there. And we'll try to show that. Radio delete. Tachometer, speedometer, everything functions there. The clock does not function. Now she is up to temperature. We drove her again just moments ago to pull her out here. Its whole nature, this morning it was 45 degrees. She was a little temperamental. We'll go for a ride. How about that? Passenger mirror as well. Sport mirror. So these 343s, they have rate just under 300 horsepower to 290. Dealership. See Old Glory flying high. My 20th year making videos just like this for customers all over the world as we ship cars. So a lot of us, I'll never meet you as a customer, but hopefully this video will suffice. Disc brakes work with little ease. Actually, they're kind of touchy, I have to be honest. One thing that surprises me, or what I really enjoy about this car, is how easy it takes to the road. You can see little to no effort on the steering. Nice and tight, and I know that's something that doesn't translate in the video, but every minor movement with the steering wheel and the car is right there. It's a real tight steering. And under wide open throttle, she'll chirp the tires and all the undercarriage, you can see just exactly the quality that you've seen already, how it translates to the undercarriage as well.